Well, you guys. Thank you for guys for tuning into the channel. Today we have such a great job, you guys, and I had to bring you guys this job because this job was just posted 3 days ago. Okay, so Nordstrom is hiring. Nordstrom has been opening a lot of stores recently, and you guys. You definitely need to check out this job. You definitely need to rewrite your resume so that you can land this job, okay? So this job is relatively easy. It is fully remote. It offers full benefits, you guys. And on top of that, they are paying $175,000 for such a simple and easy job. You guys go rewrite those resumes, okay? Go rewrite those resumes because your resume, your professionally written resume, will help you to land this job. And I also have a very special video coming out tomorrow, you guys, and that is the interview questions that you need and have to know so that you can land these six-figure jobs, especially with the current economy that we are in. I want you guys to land these jobs. With the virtual resume rewrite session, you will have a professionally written resume within 10 to 15 minutes. When I tell you it is copy and paste, I absolutely mean it. And we are going to go through we're going to go through all the experience that you need to put on your resume, you guys. And like I said, that resume kit is pay in for. You guys get out your power phrases that you can use, which is located within the virtual resume rewrite session, and let's get to work today, you guys. Let's get to work. We're going to go through this video line by line, and I'm going to show you what you need to put on that resume so that you are able to land this job and so that you can have a professional resume to give into them today. Okay, you guys? So let's go. Before we get into that, we are going to do the shout outs of the day. I have such a great shout out of the day today, you guys. And this one, I know a lot of you guys have been receiving job offers, and I am going to get to you. I promise, I promise, I promise. But let me talk about Hector. And so Hector used the virtual resume rewrite session literally 1 week ago, you guys. Literally 1 week ago. And he said, I had to give myself the chance. And Sam, I went and I got your virtual rewrite session. You guys, he was in a totally different field from where he is now. He was at a job that he absolutely hated. He said his managers, they were getting ready to fire him, okay? They were getting ready to fire him, and he said, hey, I need to do something. I need to do something quick. He got the virtual resume rewrite session, and y'all, he got the job, okay? So he got the job as a program manager. When I tell you, he is another warehouse worker. He was working at another warehouse. When I tell you, you have the skills inside of you. All you need to do is literally sit down and rewrite your skills, and you can land six-figure jobs. So Hector, he got the job, and it pays $174,000. Hector, I am so proud of you. You took that opportunity and you took the chance and you got it. Let's go. You are, when I tell you, you got the special star today, okay, Hector? Okay, let's talk about Stefan. Stefan, he is now a project manager. He makes $173,000. Well, a project director, I'm sorry. He makes $173,000, and I am so proud of you. Polina, she makes $163,000 as a product manager. You guys rewrite your skills for project management slash program management, and you are able to go into any industry, you guys. Okay, let's get to the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day, I do not give up on yourself. Do not give up on yourself. I want you to keep going, keep pushing, and I want you to give yourself grace. We are all going through very hard times right now. Give yourself the grace, give yourself a chance. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session and get to work, you guys. And we are going to get to work on this job right now, you guys, because this job is, when I tell you, this job is so good. This job is so good that you do not want to miss it, okay? So, you guys, have your power phrases you can use, because I am telling you everything that you need to put on your resume, literally line by line. Line by line, I'm going to be telling you what paragraph and what skill to use off the virtual resume rewrite session to put on your resume. Okay, guys? So let's get into the job. Okay, so Nordstrom, they are hiring for a manager. They are hiring for their issue management. So basically, this job is basically a project management job, okay? But let's get into the job description right now, you guys. Let's go. As we get into the description, let's get into this job description and let's see what they're asking. It says the manager issue management will support a team of 6 to 9 program managers focusing on the identification, resolution, mediation, and root cause analysis for customer impacting incidents for Nordstrom credit card services. So, just in that line, you are going to be, sounds like you're going to be the program director, because you are going to be, it says will support a team of 6 to 9 program managers. So you are going to be above the program managers, okay? It says the manager will partner with business, product engineering, compliance, legal, GRC, privacy risk, and or the bank partner, and foster interorganizational relationships while managing the completion of deliverables. Candidates should have a strong background in regulatory compliance, effective communication, incident management, process management, project management, developing processes and procedures, and methodologies to ensure compliance. This role will lead the team. So they're asking for leadership skills, you guys. And that's why I say rewrite your resume for leadership skills, because leadership skills equal leadership jobs, you guys. Go rewrite that resume, okay? Use the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resume. Focus toward leadership skills. That is the whole creation of the virtual resume rewrite session, because I want to push you guys into leadership roles. And in order to get those roles, regular resumes will not work. Regular resumes will not work. You need a specific leadership based resume, you guys. Okay. It says this role will lead the team and program, and the individual may be directly involved into day-to-day operations. So let's get down to the responsibilities now. Now, this is where you take out your power phrases you can use, because this is where you're going to get the experience to copy and paste into your resume. Like I told you guys, I want you guys to be able to write yourself a leadership resume, but I don't want you to have to think about it. These are all of my thoughts. Everything that I would tell you in the virtual resume rewrite session, I am putting everything that I would tell you in a consultation. I put that in the virtual resume rewrite session. All you have to do is copy and paste. Okay, it says manage and drive the issue management process from start to finish in alignment with policies and procedures. That you are going to use paragraph 1 on that one. You are going to use project planning and management for that one, okay, you guys? It says hire diverse, capable, and motivated talent that can deliver swiftly and predictably, adjusting to deliver solutions aligned with business needs. That is number 5. You're going to use number 5 with that one, okay, you guys? And number 5 is team leadership and development, okay? You are going to be the leader of the team. You are going to be the head person in charge for this role. So you need to have the leadership experience, okay? So you're going to do number 5, which is team leadership and development. It says coach, train, motivate, and develop employees to achieve success, mentor team as well as peers across the broader organization. And for that one, you still are going to use 6, and yeah, you're going to use paragraph 6 on that one, okay? Performs root cause analysis to determine any issue occurred and how to prevent them from reoccurring. So you could use a combination of paragraph 7, which is quality assurance and process improvement, and then you are going to go to data analyst and reporting. That's what you're going to do, okay? So that's the paragraphs you're going to use for this one, which is quality assurance and process improvement, paragraph 7, and then paragraph 11, data analyst and reporting, okay? Partners with compliance, legal, and risk management to determine control gaps. You are going to use paragraph 4 for this one, okay? Paragraph 4 is risk assessment and mitigation. So that is what you're going to use for that particular bullet point. I'm sitting here and I'm giving you every single thing. You don't even have to look through this anymore. All you have to do is cut and paste from the paragraphs and from the experience that I give you. Okay. And then for that one also, I'm going to tell you to use paragraph 19, which is regulatory compliance and governance. Okay, you guys? So that's what you're going to use for that one. Let's go to the next one. It says partner with stakeholders across the entire organization to resolve, and then that one you are going to use paragraph 3 for this one. Paragraph 3 is budgeting and no, I'm sorry. Paragraph 3 is stakeholder engagement and communication. So, and okay, provides consistent issue status communication to senior leaders and supported lines of business, which include applicable escalations. You are going to use paragraph 3 for this one, and you're also going to use paragraph 8 for this one, which is problem solving and decision making, you guys. You know what? I would also use for this conflict resolution and negotiation. So we're going to use paragraph 15 for that one. Paragraph 15 for that one. Okay, develop, produces, and monitor issue metrics, which is the KPIs. You're going to use paragraph 14 for that one. Leverage communication and influence skills to guide issue resolution. You are also going to use paragraph 15 for that one. Display continued growth in leadership and coaching to be a quality contributor. Business knowledge and delivering innovative decisions and solutions. You are going to use we just said that one. You are going to use paragraph 15 for this one, okay, you guys? So don't use it for every single bullet point, but have paragraph 15 on your resume. It says drive a culture of continuous improvement and efficiencies, keep abreast of organizational operation processes, appropriately assess risk. So risk is number 17. That is the one that you definitely have to put on your resume, okay? And I also want you to pay attention to paragraph 19. Use every experience in paragraph 19, which is the regulatory compliance and governance, and every single bullet point for paragraph 17, which is performance measurement and KPIs, and then you're going to use paragraph 15, which is conflict resolution and negotiation, you guys. All right, let's get down to the qualifications, because the qualifications, they are not too bad. You guys can definitely do this, okay? So let's get down to the qualifications right now. All right, you guys, now we've reached the qualifications. So the qualifications for this role is a bachelor's degree in information systems, business, computer science, or a similar degree, okay? Or a similar degree. I don't know what could be similar to a bachelor's degree. Maybe, I don't know. I don't know. But it has to have some type of degree, okay? Some type of degree or a certification or something like that. All right, so it says 5 to 7 years experience in credit card banking or the financial industry, comprehensive knowledge of regulations, and process and project management skills preferred. Those skills that I just read to you guys, those skills that I just read to you guys that are in the virtual resume rewrite session, list every one of those skills, list every one of those paragraphs and that experience. That is what's going to help you to land this job. You need to have leadership skills. That is why I created the virtual resume rewrite session, because that rewrite session is a no work, no brain, and within 15 minutes, you can have a professional resume, okay? So go out and get it. Like I said, it's pay in four. Use every single skill off of the virtual resume rewrite session because you need to have that skill, okay? Okay, knowledge, skills, and capabilities. It says strong analytical acumen with proficiency in Excel, project management tools, and other MS Office Suite products, ability to deliver and foster relationships and promote collaborations across multiple stakeholder groups, strong critical thinking, written and oral communication skills, ability to manage multiple projects and completing priorities, hands-on experience in developing policies, standards, and control, experience working in business, risk management, and other relevant control function is a plus. Experience working across cross-functional teams and developing strong working relationships, strong knowledge and experience with standard computer software, including MS Office, SharePoint, and Teams, ability to work in a fast-paced environment with competing time-sensitive priorities, strong attention to detail to ensure that policies and standards are followed, excellent verbal and written communication skills, and works well under pressure with tight deadlines. Okay, you guys? This job is amazing, okay? So basically with this job, and I'm going to reiterate what this job is about. This job is basically about being the director over their project managers, okay? This job is fairly simple and fairly easy to do. Most of your job hey, sounds like most of your job will be directing the program and the project managers on how to do their work, okay? You are going to be hiring people as well. You guys go get this leadership job. This job is basically the head person in charge. And I know that you guys can do it. I absolutely have faith that you guys can get this job done, okay? So, let's look at the pay and then let's look at the pay and let's look at the benefits. All right, so now we're at the pay and the benefits. Okay, so here it says it has full medical, vision, dental, retirement, and paid time off. Life insurance and disability. You even have a merchandise discount, okay? So you get a merchandise discount. Also, let's look at this pay. The pay, it says for California, it's going to be 90,000 to 175,000, and if you are in Rhode Island, that is where you're going to get the pay decrease. Rhode Island, California, and Nevada, you're going to get a pay decrease. It's going to be $150,000. But for California, New York, Washington, you are going to be at the $175,000. So it's going to be in different locations. Okay, you guys? You guys, I believe that you can get this job. This is one of those high performance jobs, and I know for a fact that you guys can land this job. Go out, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Follow everything that I tell you in the video. Go to every paragraph, and literally all you have to do is copy and paste, and you will have a professional resume, okay? You will have a professional leadership resume that you can give in and that you can get this job. You can land this job, you guys. These jobs really only come once in a lifetime, and yes, we are getting ready to go through a storm, you guys. So hurry up, go get the virtual resume rewrite session, go land this job, and go get what you need. You guys take care of yourself, take care of others, but more importantly, I'm always going to tell you, pour back into yourself because you cannot pour from an empty cup, okay? You guys, be kind to yourselves, love yourselves, and do the work. I'm going to tell you, do the work. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. Have a great, productive, blessed day. See you in the next video. Bye.